Hello, my name is Abby Ingram. I received my BSW from Millersville University, which is in Lancaster County. My field placement was at a transitional living house for women and children called the Clare House. They provided transitional services for women with children that were moving from homelessness into independent living and gave them the opportunity to build their independent living skills, search for work, maybe get a vehicle, do some of the things that were going to be necessary for them to be able to support themselves and their children moving forward. It was anywhere from a 90-day to 120-day program. I actually really loved that experience. I learned a lot about the homeless population, the homeless community, and what that really looked like. Everybody has the stereotypical things that they hear about people that are homeless, and these were truly just women and their children who had fallen on hard times for one reason or another, whether they were lost a job, lost a spouse, were a victim of domestic violence, many reasons that brought these women into the homeless population. Probably the biggest takeaway that I took from my field placement there was that despite a tragic circumstance like homelessness, especially when you're a mother with children, it still was so important to keep everyone together, to not have the children go into foster care, to not necessarily have the children live with other individuals, but to maintain the close relationship with the mother and be in the transitional living situation with their mother. I think that this not only built the women to reach further for independence and work harder to support their children, but it also showed their children how hard their mothers were working and how important it was for their mothers to get to the next level so they could support them. So keeping families unified throughout a homeless experience was a very rewarding experience for me during my time in that field placement. It really was one of my favorite experiences that I've had in social work up to this point. So thank you very much. It's nice to meet everyone, and I look forward to getting the semester started. Thank you.